Hi guys. Today we're eating lemons, and we're doing a challenge with this. First one to make a sour face, and you gotta squeeze the juice into squeeze all the juice into your mouth. And the first one to make a funny face loses, and then the winner just gets another lemon. And we're just gonna do the challenge again. So 3.
No, the loser has to put all the lemon juice in their mouth.
Okay.
And one go.
Okay.
And another lemon.
3.
Wait, are you biting it or are you licking it?
We're gonna squeeze all the juice into our mouth.
Oh, seriously? Okay.
3, 2,
Whoa.
3, 2.
Have you been using the whole time you got here?
Have you been eating?
Ah. It's burning my lips.
Because your lips are dry.
I know.
That's sour.
I know.
Well, it is sour, but like not worthy face sour. That counts.
No, because I was making a funny face when you dropped the lemon on the table.
So
He's gonna get that
first
southern
night,
water in
What the heck?
so eating the whole night, you're freezing your butter off. All your butter and everything already got
Looks like you got a whole lemon in your mouth.
Not
Should we move on to the other lemons?
some crab, that's the other one.
That counted. That still
Fine.
counted. Okay,
Fine.
now you have to put the whole lemon in.
Can I have both lemons? Jessica, can I have both lemons? Can I have both lemons? Both of them.
There's one place there.
Okay, I don't like the seeds, so I'm gonna take them out.
Squeeze a little bit.
So
No.
I'm gonna get the snow crab.
Okay.
The butter tastes really
What's that?
So
Are you-
it's funny because I remember
Did you
my
see-
aunt several times, both restaurants.
This is the lemon I was supposed to eat.
See that one.
And you,
Fine. All right, 3,
and he's like,
2.
I said, you didn't say anything. I said, next time I will bring you something. And he said, I will barter with you. That's what he said. I'm like, you got a deal.
He's gonna remember too, I'm sure. Yeah.
I mean, before when I used to eat lemons as a baby,
Because I don't know who I was telling you.
I eat them with no problem. All right, bye guys.
Tried every single